Lovelies. So today we're going to be doing another Fanola Temporary Color hair mask. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. The one thing I absolutely love about the Fanola color masks is that they are truly temporary. They could last between 6 to maybe 10 washes depending on the concentration or how you do wash your hair. I first did a transformation in this pink color and I absolutely fell in love with it and kept falling in love with it the more that I washed it. Like, it was literally amazing. Then I was like, I want to do pink hair for the rest of my life. So now it's time to do another color and another way of doing it. So I'm actually going to be doing a reverse ombre. Now, most importantly, like, what color am I going to be doing? So I actually have two of the color masks right here, one in lavender and one right here in violet. So I first did some testing as well, and I asked all of you, if you watched my video, on which color that I should do. So this first one right here, which is more of like a cool blue purple, that's actually the lavender. And on this kind of red Cabernet kind of color, that's actually the violet right there. And I decided to mix the two colors right here in the middle, and I got this gorgeous purple color. So I asked all of you which color I should do, and the winner was number 3, right in the middle. So we're gonna be doing a true purple tone, and I'm super excited. So let's just get into everything that we're gonna need to do this process. So I have both of the colors right here that I'm gonna be mixing equal parts of to get that purple color. I do have a conditioner right here. Really, any conditioner will work just to lighten up the gradation of colors. I have 3 bowls right here because I'm actually gonna be doing like a super concentrated, a little less concentrated, and then a pretty dull one as the gradation. I will need clips and of course some gloves. So I'm first gonna make like a master mixture of the both of these and then take that mixture and put it in these bowls when I lighten it up. I actually just put my finger all the way around my circumference of my head right here and just put the top up here, and then I'm gonna work basically almost in quadrants or so. So I'm gonna have these two sides right here, and then since I really am not sure what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start with one piece to see how the gradation goes, and then we're gonna go from there. You add the most concentrated purple right here at the bottom. And then I'm gonna take the medium color right here and do the middle. And then I'm gonna take the lightest and kind of do this part. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go all the way up to my roots, we'll see. And I'm just gonna blend them all together just like this. Okay, I am literally falling in love with how this is looking so far. I cannot wait to wash it out. I'm gonna be leaving this in my hair for 20 minutes, then we're gonna rinse it. And here she is, all washed out. Literally, I cannot wait to blow dry her. I'm super excited. Now, with this product right here, they're actually conditioners. So you actually do not need to wash your hair. It's really just rinsing it out. I did rinse it with cool, neutral tone water. And wow, here she is. Absolutely stunning of a color. I cannot believe how great it turned out. out. I am so in love with this little reverse ombre. And again, I actually use two of the Fanola color masks right here in lavender and also violet. I mix them together to get this amazing purple color. I absolutely love it, and I have so much more to like either freshen up or do something even more fun with them. So let me know if any of you have tried the Fanola Oro Therapy color mask. I would love to know and see you in your hair color. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you having fun, your hair colors, your wigs, your makeup. Like, let's all spread the positivity because life is too short. And with being life too short, remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in temporary hair color, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.